We recommend hand washing Fat Daddio's Pro Series Anodized Aluminum bakeware. While dishwashing is not the problem, harsh phosphates and drying agents in dishwashing detergent is a problem. These aggressive grease-fighting detergents can discolor aluminum baking surfaces. The unsightly discolorations may appear as dark smudges or chalky white spots. Like other kitchen essentials, the beauty of our anodized aluminum bakeware needs only a simple hand washing in warm soapy water. Bake with confidence. Even if your bakeware has been discolored by dishwashing detergents, it can still provide a lifetime of professional baking results. Fat Daddio's Pro Series bakeware, built bakery tough.